going to be teaching people how to swim. This is for educational purposes. Do not try this at home. Damn. All right, ignore that.
Loading in.
Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Come on.
Okay, I will. Where's that
Okay.
thing on red
So
one?
you see that thing over there? Follow it.
Where's that dingleberry?
Yeah, life, guys. This is the craziest love in my whole life.
Gosh, should I say some slurs?
No.
Wait, Red Gun, like that, like one gun from like getting Call of Duty Zombies, you know? Like that game is so tough. Boy, this is so freaking tough.
Oh no, guys, I think it's going after me.
I know he's gonna die.
I know it's going after me.
Oh.
Oh shit! Oh, what's up with you, man? What's up with you? We going.
Frosty, no.
He's killing everybody. He's massacring.
Guys, Auxilio died.
Not Kilio died.
Oh, this is the one.
My God.
I sing a whole song about you on the radio and you didn't even come back for me.
Hell,
Bro, here's the banana.
Bro, and I recorded.
Holy cow, someone died.
Everyone died, and he.
No place where the grass is very green.
Left. I don't want to sell out anymore.
Okay, round number 2. Let's go.
Left, I've been
Let's go.
trading.
If you die in front of me, you're gonna owe me $10 after this, dude. Charge! Stop!
That guy's good. So,
So I have someone big on
Go! Oh my! 2 people died in front of me. 2 people.
Yo, whose big one is this?
Yeah, Lexa.
get that.
No! Oh! Take your swimming lessons, buddy. Take your swimming lessons.
Where's that?
Bro, he already knows how to swim and he still wants to swim and see the sunset. Oh! Big one, huh?
1 minute, don't just stay for a minute.
Guys, let's go swimming! Let's go swimming!
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. I can hear you. This looks so different. I'm a missile.
No way,
Bubba, you
right?
Can you give me a grenade, please?
Bro.
I'm going.
No! You son of
I'm a missile.
Hey, get that from there!
Green, you gotta see me fly. Why are you so cold?
You gonna fly?
Yeah, I wanna see you fly. Yeah, I wanna see you fly. At least nobody took my backpack that has full of stuff in here. At least nobody took my backpack. Black. I got a picture of Vanny. I got a picture of Vanny. Oh my God. No, because
Grandpa, no, Grandpa. Grandpa.
World War II.